my guest is trying to admit. Okay, sir?
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So shall I start?
Of course.
Yeah. So good evening to one and all present over here. This is the last session of International Telecollaboration between India and Bangladesh, organized by Eco Training Center, Sweden, District Institute of Education and Training, Nasik, Zilla Parishad Jalgaon, Government of India and Bangladesh. The project consists of Zoom meeting of 1.5 hours each. The objective of this project is to examine if the teachers are able to improve their awareness about 7 SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goal, as well as language skills, cultural knowledge, and increase innovation in foreign language. Today, in our last session, I am very much honored with the presence of some of the dignitaries over here. I would like to tell you, sir, that among us we have so many guests, and from my school I can see the principal of my school, Shri Shyam Tilwani sir, is already had joined. Sir, welcome to you. And
Welcome, sir.
the chairman of my school, ज्ञानचंद दादाजी हमारे बीच मौजूद है। RS आदर्श स्कूल के चेयरपर्सन ज्ञानचंद दादाजी हमारे बीच मौजूद है। सर, आपका स्वागत है। इसी बीच हमारे बीच मौजूद है प्राइमरी चीफ गोकुल काड़ा। सर, आपका भी स्वागत है इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर। और सबसे अहम बात, हमारे बीच हमेशा एक बुलावे पे आ जाने वाले मिस्टर भरत शिरसाट सर, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ JS जादू स्कूल एरेंडोल, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इटवॉस, ये हमारे बीच मौजूद है हमें मोटिवेट करने के लिए, हमें प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए। सो मैं तहे दिल से आप सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ, वंदन करती हूँ, अभिनंदन करती हूँ कि आप हमारे प्रोजेक्ट के आखिरी चरण पे आए और बच्चों को आशीर्वाद देने के लिए मौजूद है। सर, मैं सबसे पहले आज्ञा चाहूंगी ज्ञानचंद दादाजी से कि वो बच्चों के लिए कुछ 2 शब्द बोलें। दादाजी, क्या आप हमें सुन सकते हैं?
हाँ, तो मैं मैडम RS आदर्श स्कूल के चेयरमैन के हैसियत से ज्ञानचंद लेखवानी बोल रहा हूँ। आज हमारे लिए गर्व का दिन है कि हमारे स्कूल के बच्चे कुछ 3-4 सालों की मेहनत के बाद आप मिस वासवानी मैडम के वजह से इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे आए। इस बात की हमें बहुत ही खुशी है और आगे के लिए मैं उनको भी आगे के समय के लिए, उनको आगे के पढ़ाई के लिए भी और इससे आगे बढ़ेंगे, मैं ऐसी उनको शुभकामनाएं मेरी तरफ से देता हूं और ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपको शुभकामनाएं देता हूं और आपको थैंक्स कहता हूं कि आपने बच्चों को ये इसके लेवल पे लाया। धन्यवाद। थैंक यू। महाराष्ट्र, जय महाराष्ट्र।
धन्यवाद दादाजी, आपकी मौजूदगी हमारे लिए एक उत्साह है। हाँ सर, मैं देख रही हूँ जी बटेजा जी भी हमारे बीच मौजूद हैं, सेक्रेटरी साहब हमारे, तो मैं उनका भी स्वागत करती हूँ, वंदन करती हूँ, अभिनंदन करती हूँ। दादाजी सर, भरत सर, मैं आपको बता दूं सभी दादाजी हमारे काफी एजेड हैं और वो पहली बार ऑनलाइन मीटिंग अटेंड कर रहे हैं। सो देयर आर some type of troubles so they are facing, but इनका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे। तो मैं अभी आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी हमारे सेक्रेटरी जी को, सुदाम दास बटेजा जी को, वो आशीर्वाद के रूप में 2 शब्द हमारे बच्चों के लिए बोलें। दादाजी, सुदाम दास दादाजी, आप हमें सुन सकते हैं? दादा, आप अपने माइक का कॉल ओवर इंटरनेट करके एक ऑप्शन आता है जहां पर माइक बना है व्हाइट कलर का म्यूट वाला, वहां पर कॉल ओवर इंटरनेट एक ऑप्शन है। हाँ, उसको क्लिक करके फिर आपकी आवाज हमें आएगी। सर, मुझे लग रहा है कि उनको कुछ ऑपरेट करने में ट्रबल्स आ रहे हैं।
मैम, कॉल ओवर इंटरनेट के बिना वे हमारी आवाज भी नहीं सुन पाएंगे।
नहीं सुन पाएंगे? हाँ
मैम, कॉल इंटरनेट स्टार्ट नहीं होता तो हमारी आवाज भी
हर्षल, तुम्हारे पास साहिल बटेजा का नंबर है?
मैम एक बार उसने कॉल किया था पर अभी है नहीं, तो कोई अंकल आए हैं उधर ठीक करके देने के लिए।
देखो एक बार, हाँ,
मैं
अगर उनसे
मैसेज
मैसेज करके देखो बेटा। तब तक मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी हमारे प्राइमरी चीफ श्री गोकुल काड़ा जी को। दादाजी, आप हमें सुन सकते हैं? प्राइमरी चीफ ऑफ आदर्श प्राइमरी स्कूल इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल इज अमंग विद अस। मैं उनको रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि वो हमारे बच्चों के लिए 2 शब्द बोलें। दादाजी, माइक को अनम्यूट करिए और वीडियो को ऑन करेंगे, फिर आपकी आवाज हमें सुनाई देगी। गोकुल जी, आप हमें सुन सकते हैं? टिलवानी सर, मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप लेफ्ट हो करके फिर उनको गाइड कर सकते हैं कॉल करके। सर, टिलवानी सर।
हेलो, हाय यशी। हेलो मैडम।
सर, गोकुल काड़ा जी और सुदामदास बटेजा जी बात करने में असमर्थ है। मुझे वो ज्वाइन हुए हैं पर वो कुछ मतलब बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं, उनका कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहा है। तो
मैडम
आप
फोन
एक बार उनसे
प्रयास
आप
करता हूँ मैं
उनको
जोड़ने
फोन
का।
करके हाँ जी, आप फिर लेफ्ट होके रिज्वाइन हो जाइएगा।
जी जी।
जी सर। हाँ, भरत सर, यू आर हियर?
यस, आई एम हियर मैम।
Yeah, sir, can you tell something, as your words are really appreciable and valuable for all of us, and we are waiting to listen you, and you are always with us to encourage us and to have with us. So please speak something for us.
Thank you very much, ma'am. In this tele-collaboration project, I'm very much happy as a witness to your last session. First of all, best of luck to your last session. And with determination and steady efforts, you reached to the stage. And this is a great moment. See, this tele-collaboration project is very useful as far as your CPD is concerned, but it is equally useful to your students. And your students are very lucky that they are here today and they are participating in international tele-collaboration project. So in very early stage, they are lucky to witness such type of program and webinars. In coming days, wherever will they go, they will always remember you and your efforts. They will remember that our teacher, Vaswani ma'am, had given us a nice opportunity to speak with Bangladeshi teachers. So this is a great moment for them also. As far as your management people is concerned, they are really blessed having a teacher like you in your institutions. See, as a coordinator of this project, I have consistently seen your efforts and your determination in this project. You are a skilled teacher, you are a good teacher and ideal also. Your consistent efforts have taken your students to the zenith of success. And I'm sure that in coming days, your students will imitate you and they will certainly achieve what you expect from them. So this tele-collaboration project, is not only just for 7 SDGs Sustainable Development Goals, but it is for the exchange of cultural and educational thoughts and awareness and conditions of both the countries, either Bangladesh or India. Mr. Huda sir is present here. I'm very happy with his presentation. His approach is very positive and he's very skilled teacher. And very consistently, he has given response to your each and every effort. I have seen so many Bangladeshi teachers are not consistent in such type of programs. They have either this or that type of work to do,
I am
and
lucky
that's why
to
they are
have
missing so many
partner
lectures
like
and so many
Huda.
sessions. But Huda sir has consistently given positive response to your each and every effort, and I'm sure that he's genuine. He's a good teacher, ideal teacher, and he has a tremendous respect with education. And I'm equally happy that being a teacher from India, I welcome Bangladesh teachers wholeheartedly, and I invite him whenever he want to come to India. Please take our address. Our numbers are with you. Please let us know a week before so that we shall welcome you. Huda sir, you are heartily welcome to India, especially to Jalgaon. So we will be blessed if you once visit your life to our country and to our district with your family. So this is the love and this is the affection which we people have imparted to each other. I'm sure that Vaswani ma'am or you both have imparted your values of your countries. And so thank you very much, and congratulations for the last session, and best luck for the last session also to your students also for their presentation also. And I will say that the management people who are present here in today's meeting, I would like to request them that in coming days they should give liberty to Vaswani ma'am to do so many activities which are beneficial for the school and for the students. They should allow her and give her scope and give her a good hand in each and every activity for the schools. Vaswani ma'am, thank you very much for inviting me and calling me for this wonderful and fantastic session. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Please continue.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much,
very
sir.
much. Thank you very
Let me
much.
tell you, inform you about my, as you said about my management. सर लेट मी टेल यू, मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूंगी बिकॉज हमारे मैनेजमेंट के बड़े सदस्य हैं वरिष्ठ, उनको इंग्लिश समझने में थोड़ी दिक्कत आती है और हम सभी हिंदी से फैमिलियर हैं, खुदा सर भी समझते हैं। तो सर ये हमारे स्कूल का 50वीं सालगिरह का वर्ष है ये साल, और हम लोग बहुत लकी हैं कि हमारे स्कूल की मैनेजमेंट भी हमारे साथ है। और जैसा आपने बोला कि हमारे स्कूल की मैनेजमेंट हमेशा हमें सपोर्ट करती है, किसी भी काम के लिए रोकती नहीं है, बच्चों को प्रोत्साहित करती है। और आप देख रहे हैं कि हमारे प्रिंसिपल भी लगातार लगे रहते हैं, हर संभव हम लोगों को प्रयास करते हैं आगे बढ़ाने का, बच्चों को आगे बढ़ाने का, टीचर्स को अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं कि वो अपने अपने क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ें। किसी भी तरह का दबाव नहीं होता है, कुछ भी नहीं होता है, और हम लोग अपने आप को सौभाग्यशील समझते हैं कि हम आदर्श स्कूल के शिक्षक और हमारे बच्चे सौभाग्यशाली है कि वो ऐसे स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं। और ये हमारे स्कूल का 50वीं वर्षगांठ है, और ये एक वाकई में एक ऐतिहासिक बात है कि हमारे इस कार्यकाल में ही बच्चों ने इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पर कदम रखा। और मैं देख रही हूँ कि हमारे बच्चे बीइंग फ्रॉम सेमी हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल, दे आर वर्किंग हार्ड वेरी मच फ्रॉम लास्ट 20 days. They are working with me, they are having contact with me on phones, and they are making PPTs, and they are trying to cope up with online session, as one of my students are having always internet problem, Divya, but she also had done very well, and she has given good efforts. So I'm lucky to have this wonderful management. And about Huda sir, what you said, that yes, really I'm lucky that I got such a good partner. He is very cooperative, and since first session, whatever I am telling to him, he always say yes ma'am, anytime. And today also at 3 o'clock he was available, and we managed the time so much. So thank you for being here, and it is because of you I am here, and I got opportunity, and my student of RS Adarsh School got an opportunity because you gave my name in this project. So thank you for you, and I'm watching that my principal is here. Tilwani sir, can you listen us? आप हमें सुन सकते हैं?
हाँ मैडम
जी
प्लीज
सर।
थोड़ा हमारे अपना सेक्रेटरी साहब को और चीफ प्राइमरी चीफ इनको फिर से थोड़ा जोड़ने का प्रयास कीजिए मैडम।
जी जी
सर
सर,
मैं
मैं
फिर से सुन सकता हूँ अभी सर। मैडम मैं सुन सकता हूँ अभी।
जी जी
थैंक यू।
हाँ जी जी सर,
मैडम बोलने
हमारे
दीजिए
बीच
सबको।
हाँ सुदाम दास बटेजा जी हैं हमारे बीच सेक्रेटरी साहब। सर आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप बच्चों के लिए कुछ 2 शब्द बोले। उन्होंने टेली कोलैबोरेशन प्रोजेक्ट जो इंडिया और बांग्लादेश के बीच लगातार चल रहा था, आज उनका अंतिम सेशन है, तो आप बच्चों को आशीर्वाद के रूप में 2 शब्द बोलें दादाजी।
मैडम मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आपने ये व्यवस्था किया है। आप लोगों ने सबने मिलके जो ये प्रोग्राम रखा है, आप सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं और बच्चों से उम्मीद रखता हूँ वो अच्छे से पढ़ के हमारे स्कूल का और अपना भविष्य बहुत अच्छा उज्जवल करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद दादाजी, आपके 2 शब्द हमारे लिए अपार सागर के समान हैं और बच्चों के लिए उत्साहवर्धकदायक है। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आप आए हमारे बीच में मौजूद हुए। दादाजी मैं आपको बता दूं, आपको शायद मालूम नहीं, बच्चे ये लगातार 20 दिनों से कर रहे हैं और बच्चों ने अपना बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया है, पीपीटीज बनाई है, ऑनलाइन सेशंस किए, और इस बीच अगर आप बच्चों से आप बाद में बात करेंगे तो आपको बताएंगे कि उन्होंने कितना कुछ सीखा है पढ़ाई के अलावा भी। बांग्लादेश के टीचर्स और बच्चे भी हमारे साथ मौजूद थे और लगातार हम लोग एक दूसरे से अलग अलग टॉपिक्स पर कल्चरल एक्सचेंजेस कर रहे थे। तो उन्होंने इंग्लिश में बातें की, अपना कम्युनिकेशन स्किल बढ़ाया और अपना इंटरनेट स्किल बढ़ाया, किस तरह से हम आज के युग में अपना योगदान दे सकते हैं और किस तरह से हम आगे बढ़े इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट्स दिया। तो आप सभी, हम सभी बधाई के पात्र हैं और धन्यवाद आपका, आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आए। अब मैं आई थिंक टिलवानी सर, काड़ा दादाजी भी आए हैं।
हाँ।
नहीं
मैडम जोड़ने का प्रयास कीजिए।
जी जी। हुदा सर, कैन यू लिसन अस?
Yeah.
One of my management person is trying to join, so please admit him. He is GH Kada.
Nobody here. Let's type a thing.
Okay, he is keep trying. Maybe he join after some time.
Yeah.
Till then, I request again to my principal. तिलवानी सर, मैं आपसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि आप भी आज फिर से 2 शब्द बोलें। आप अपना प्रयास लगातार आप हमारे साथ हैं और सभी चीजें आपको मालूम है एज अ प्रिंसिपल।
Good evening, all the respected our management chairperson Shri Jim Lekhwani ji, respected our secretary Shri Batheja ji, and respected GS Kharda ji, primary chief, and also the respected our Shri Sirsar sir, and both the countries, respected Shri Huda ji, madam, and dear students. It is a very good opportunity for the both countries. This facility which is given by the International Telecommunication Project between India and Bangladesh, and which is being organized by the Eco Training Center. The benefit is taken by both the countries, the student, and also a new type of program is done, and it is a very beneficial for the teachers and also the student. Okay, then I'm very, very proud of all of you that this program is done, and I hope this type of program will benefit for our country's students, teachers. I congratulate all the participants, teachers and students for carrying out this educational initiative. Wish you good luck for your future programs. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Your words are really worthful for us. This is the collaboration program. And let me tell one saying that coming together is beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. So today we successfully completed our all the session and we are doing the last one. So I hope that it will also be finished in a very nice manner because of the presence of you all dignitaries. We are very much very much obliged with your presence. Thank you so much to all of you for being here. Over to you, Huda sir. Would you like to speak something?
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. This is our last international collaboration, collaboration between India and Bangladesh, and I am also grateful to you all. I am also very lucky that here some respected person like a principal, school management person. So I want to first salute you of all. Please pray for us, and here also our students, both of our schools, and also Shami Madam's schools students. And this is very grateful to me that we have learned from it, and also share our culture, and also share our knowledge and between India and Bangladesh. So it is very grateful and also great opportunity for our students that they learn it very much from this type of collaboration. So they know about Indian students, teachers techniques, and also some respected person they also known to you. So please pray for our country, and also I will pray for your country and always will. And also very good friendship between India and Bangladesh will continue in future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are just keep praying for you and your country peoples. I can see that you are facing so many problems from many days because of raining and so much. I know about everything about you, and still you are cooperating with me and my students and working hard. Sir, I am just seeing that my primary chief Gokul Kada ji is among with us.
Yeah.
दादाजी आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? गोकुल दादाजी, दादाजी आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? मैं देख रही हूँ कि आप ज्वाइन है हमारे साथ, हमारे बीच है, तो आप अपना माइक ऑन करिए, आपका माइक बंद है। दादाजी आपका माइक बंद है, माइक को ऑन करिए। गोकुल दादाजी, आपका माइक ऑफ है, आप उसको ऑन करिए ताकि हम आपको सुन सके।
Ma'am, please should
I think he is getting some problem, internet issue or something like
ma'am,
that.
please you should call him and tell about unmute.
Sorry, sir, I can't listen you properly.
Please, you should call him and tell about unmute his mic.
Yes, I am telling him, but I think he has some problem to understand or handling the gadgets, I think so. So what I will do that I'll send him again the next link, and we will take him in the next session. Okay, with the next link, sir. Sir, now as we should go with the topics of today's. So I request my student first So I request to Harshal Jagyasi. Harshal, can you listen us?
Yes, ma'am.
Just one madam.
Yes, yes, sir.
मैडम एक बार फिर प्रयास कीजिए सर के दादाजी की तरफ कांडा जी की तरफ उधर आवाज ही
जी।
नहीं आ रही इधर से आप
सर उन्होंने अपना माइक बंद करके रखा है, तो मैं अभी वापस से हमारी उनके फिर
मैडम एक बार
मैं एक बार रिंग करके बोल देता हूँ ऐसा। मैं उनको रिंग करके
मैं उनको वापस से फोन करके समझा दूंगी। हमारा एक और लिंक है सर 10 मिनट बाद में, गोकुल भैया को मैं वो लिंक भेजूंगी और उनको फिर से ज्वाइन कराएंगे हम लोग। Till Harshal, you start with the topic.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So can I start?
Yes, please carry on.
So first of all, good evening, everyone. So
evening.
this is our last session of international telecollaboration between India and Bangladesh. First
Open
of
your
all, I
video.
would like
Keep on your video,
ma'am.
Harshal. You are not
Yes,
visible,
ma'am.
so that our
Yes,
chairperson
ma'am.
also could see. Yeah. Yes.
Am I visible?
Yeah.
Yes, you are visible now.
So this is our last session of international telecollaboration between India and Bangladesh. So first of all, I would like to thank Vaswani ma'am. So as she had given me this opportunity to perform, to tell something for India on this international platform. So today I'm very happy as our previous 14 sessions has been successfully completed. In this our last session, we have to tell about our experience of previous sessions, that we have to give our feedback for this telecollaboration project. So our first topic is about my 3 best achievements. My first achievement is I had increased my communication skill in these meetings as by talking in English. And second, I removed my stage fear completely. Third, the best achievement is I achieved this international platform. I hadn't thought that I got this opportunity to represent India in this international platform. So this is my major achievement. Our second topic is about my learning. So firstly, I had learned how to use Zoom meeting app completely. Second, I had learned how to make PPTs, PowerPoint presentations. Third, I had learned so many things about Bangladesh by Bangladesh representatives, like about their culture, about their food, about their festivals, about their food and how they make it, and about their families, how they live. In short, I had gained so much knowledge about Bangladesh in these sessions. And our today's last topic is the obstacles I have faced. In these meetings, I had faced many obstacles, like the electricity problem is there, connection problems were there, sound problems. The major problem was network problem, and there were no any other problems. These were the 4 problems which I faced most. At last, I like every part of this project. I thank Prasani ma'am as she guided me and my friends for every session, and I also thanks to Najmul sir as he cooperated us, and Vaswani ma'am and Najmul sir both given us so much knowledge about sustainable development goals. So I want to say thank you for this. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Harshal. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Harshal. I know that you learned so many things from this project, and you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
just completed your 10th, and our best wishes
Yes.
for your future good for your good future is always with you. So best of luck for your good wishes for your good future,
Thank you,
and I
ma'am.
hope you will join many more these types of project in your college life also. And this is the age of
Yes, ma'am. Thank
internet,
you, ma'am.
and we are connected with internet, and there is I don't think so that there is nothing which is not available in internet. You can achieve each and everything by the use of internet, and as you
Yes,
are the
ma'am.
really good student of our school, so best of luck for your future, and thank you for joining with us and sharing your experience about the project. Nazmul sir,
Yeah.
this is just
Thank you, ma'am.
5:38, and I have sent only one link to my guest. So I would like to just give the thanks giving speech to them. So after that, we will join with the next link. So I am thankful to all my guests. Bharat, first of all, my school management, Sri Gokul Kada, Sirji, he may join with us with the second link. I am thankful to Sudham Das Bateja ji. So he gave his valuable time to us and boost our energy with his boosting words. I am thankful to my principal, Sri Sham Tilwani sir, for being present over here and giving his valuable time. I am also thankful to my chairman of the school, Shri Gyanchan Lekhwani Dadaji, being having in so much big age. He has joined with us and given us a good, I can say, Ashirwad to us and to our students. Thank you so much to all of you. And last but not the least, I am thankful to Bharat Shirsat sir. Just because of him, I am here. Sir, you are always best and special person for all of us, because I whatever work I am doing because of you, I can see your works. I'm getting energy from your works and everything I'm learning from you. So thank you so much for taking out time from your busy schedule and joining with us. Sir, thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Respected
Uh,
Vaswani ma'am, best luck to your session, to your next session. And congratulations, Harshal. You have done a very good job. And best luck to other students. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
sir.
much.
Thank you. Thank you, Bharat sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We will join the students of Bangladesh and India, and the teachers will join again with the next link. So the time is over almost. So, sir, I am just leaving. Thank you so much to all of you.
Thank you.
And sir, please checking that Gokul Kada sir will also enter. So
Okay,
now
no
I
problem.
request.
I of course I admit
I
to share.
request to Divya Nagdev to speak about the topic.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Divya.
This is 15 and last session of our telecollaboration, and I enjoyed every session of telecollaboration. Uh, in this telecollaboration, I learned about Bangladesh cultures, festivals, dishes, and seasons, and many more. I got many knowledge from this, and it was very interesting. Yes, I face some obstacles like technical issues, but after this I enjoyed it, and I thankful to Aswani ma'am to give me chance for this for participating in telecollaboration. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Divya.
Thank you, Divya. Now I request to Nayan to speak about the topic. Nayan,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself. Yes, unmute yourself and present your topic.
Hello, sir.
Hello now.
So today's our topic is today's our last session of telecollaboration. I enjoyed each and every session of this telecollaboration. I'm very thankful to Vaswani ma'am to give me this such a great opportunity to take me part in this telecollaboration. I have learned about Bangladesh, like the culture of the Bangladesh dishes, tradition, and I get many problems like facing network problems and many more things. I have learned about how to make PPT, PowerPoint presentation, how to work. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome, Jogesh sir. How are you?
Thank you. I am fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Very, thank you. Thank you. I was in another
Welcome.
meeting.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think
सरिता
I
मैम आप
hope
दिख नहीं रहे मुझे. हाँ दिख गए हाँ ठीक है.
my video was off.
Yes,
Sir,
okay.
how are you?
I am fine.
And now you're free, or you are having another meeting at 6 o'clock? I think so.
No, that meeting is going on, but I just left for you, and I will now.
So much. Thank you so
It's
much
our
for
pleasure.
being.
It's our pleasure.
Yes, yes,
Our
because
pleasure.
our bridge course meeting is going on. This year we are making a module of bridge course because last time due to pandemic there is a learning loss to our teachers as well as students. So to bridge this learning loss, we are designing a module on bridge course for standard 1st to 9th of English subject. So I am in that meeting, but I just left from there and now I joined here. I have 5 minutes for you. I just here give best wishes to all our students, all our teachers, Sarita ma'am, Nazmul sir, and in the same way, I just want to say that now your sessions are over. You everyone means students and teachers now listen carefully my suggestions. Everyone must register on our link. Now I have given link to Sarita ma'am. Please share that link to chat box. Registration
Yes,
link,
sir.
so everyone must fill it, and when students will fill it, just text me message on WhatsApp. I will give project ID to every students. Okay, Sarita ma'am, got my point?
Yes, sir.
And when your students will get project ID, then they will fill up the certificate form. So every student must fill pre-awareness test just like you have filled it. Pre-awareness test, post-awareness test, survey form, and certificate form. So I will provide you certificate form link and registration form link. Please provide it to your students and collect project ID from me so they can fill their certificate form. In that certificate form, I have mentioned pre-awareness test, post-awareness test, survey form. Just let the student solve the questions as their perception. Don't guide them.
Okay.
We are just checking that what student got from
Had
this
learned.
project.
Okay.
Yes. So, Sarita ma'am, have you got both links, registration link and certificate link? I have sent to your WhatsApp.
Yes. Right now you have sent. I could see.
Yes.
And that I'll do everything whatever you said.
And don't share that certificate form to any other participants, because if other participants will fill, then how can I understand that this is the member of from your team or not? So only you person that whether outsider people is a member of your team or not. So just share it with students and don't share it with other persons. Okay.
Sir, I will only share personally to my 4 or 5 students which are
Nazmul
working
sir,
with us. And
and
Nazmul sir's
you have to say
students.
Nazmul sir. Nazmul sir will share to his students. Okay, and
Yes,
take
yes.
collect project ID from me, and then ask
Yes,
students to fill certificate form. In that
Okay,
certificate
sir.
form, all links are given. Just click it and fill the form. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. And thank you for being present over here from your busy schedule. We are very lucky to have you here. And sir, let me tell you that I am really thankful to you to select me and to make me a part of this international project. And my students are very thankful to you. And it was really a wonderful experience for all of us. And this is the first time I'm doing this type of project, and my students also. So I, with along with my students, and I would like Nazmul sir, obviously, and his students. We all are very lucky to work in this international telecollaboration project, and because of your proper guidance, we are able to complete all the sessions. And I can see that you are working day and night, and giving all the necessary guidance to all the teachers. Though we are teachers, we also need guidance from to work in this type of project, because we are not very well in internet handling. So you are keep guiding me. So thank you so much for being over here. Sir, let me tell you that in the first session of today, my school principal and my secretary of my school and the primary chief of my school, so many dignitaries was over here, and Shishak sir was also over here. So they are very pleased to see the work of us, and they appreciate and congratulate us for this project. So thank you so much for being here. And if you have time, so please listen, my students. Some 1 or 2 students feedback.
Yes.
So
One, I will listen one feedback from Bangladesh and one feedback from your students. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So I request now to, I think, again, though I request to Muskan Vaswani now to give her feedback, as she was present in all the sessions. So Muskan, unmute yourself and speak about the topic.
Hello everyone.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, go ahead.
This is the last session of telecollaboration project, and I feel very sad that this is ending. First of all, I would like to thank all Nazmul Hara sir and Vaswani ma'am both. They made such a beautiful PPTs, and they worked so much hard. They collected so much information, and they shared with us. Our knowledge was so much increased after this project. We really had fun. Everyone actually, all the sessions were really done very enthusiastically. And the students from Bangladesh, I hope Nazmul Huda sir and all the students from Bangladesh will really like to visit India after this. And personally, I'm convincing my parents to take me to Bangladesh after this pandemic event finishes. I am so happy, but at the same time, I don't want to I don't want the session to end, but it has to end. So the session was really great overall. Thank you, everyone. I would even like to thank Yogesh Sonmani sir for arranging such a beautiful session, such a good session for us. It is because of you we are getting this opportunity. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you,
Very
Muskan.
good. Now we will listen one student from Bangladesh.
Thank you, sir. I want to request Shobhon, please discuss about your experience from this telecollaboration. Please unmute yourself, Shobhon, and
Thanks, sir. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Good to see you again.
Thank you.
Sir, it was a very big platform for me and especially I have acquired many kinds of knowledge about the country culture and among the about the students also. In by this Zoom meeting, we came to know that we can improve ourselves for many other Zoom meetings. We have make new knowledge of Indian environment and have make many friends also. The most important thing, we came to know the knowledge each other's country and culture, and I have learned many new things by this meeting, like how to make a Zoom meeting, or how to present a PPT, or how to how about the education system of the Indian country. I have been faced to many obstacles, like internet, net connection, electricity, and about language. Like we speak in Bangladesh, we don't need to say any English to anybody. But so I faced some problems to say, and overall I enjoyed it very much. And I am feeling very bad that the project is ending very soon. I think I would be happy if it may drive many long session. Thanks, sir. Thank, ma'am.
Thank you, Shubham. Thank you very much. Ma'am, please proceed.
Thank you. And I am really impressed by the soft and very impressive words by Muskan and by Shuvon and all our cheerful students, because I just know that when I was child, that time I didn't got such opportunity to speak with other country students, because I just know that I was just speaking with my neighbor student, my neighbor fellow. And I just asked when I was ill, when I missed school, I used to go his home, and I was just asking, what homework today our teachers has given? Would you give your notebook to me? In a such way, or just in a particular sentence, that my friend, suppose a particular friend, did she come to school or not? So in a way, we were a childish atmosphere. So that time there were no mobiles, no phones. When I passed my 10th, that time I see the landline phone, because it is the near about 1994 1995 period. That time there were limited telephones in India. So as the period gone off, I became graduate, I became postgraduate, I got job in government, and now my total life is changed. Now I have to work for 12 to 60 hours, because these pandemic situations has very grossed and scheduled everyone to do this one for teachers for 5 hours, to do this work for teachers for 5 hours, to do this work for society for 5 hours. So every officer's work is become very tight, and the schedule, they can't get a 5 minutes free time from their schedules. But I congratulate my dear friend Nazmul sir, Sarita ma'am, that you are doing very well and you are shaping your student very well on right tech platform. In future, these pillars are the fruits of your initiative. These will be the fruits of your hard work. And when they will brought up, they will tell that my Sarita ma'am, my Nazmul sir has given me first chance to interact with foreign students, to interact with foreign teachers. So this is first and a golden opportunity of their life. So we are very lucky that we are all spectators. We are our proofs of this golden event. So I give my best wishes. Congrats to all of you team members. Go ahead, and in future, if you want any help from me, then you can ask me. Now I have given all material to Sarita ma'am. Just fill the registration link, collect project ID from me, then collect the certificate form, and your certificates will be automatically generated and they will be issued on your email. And if anyone didn't get, then you call me. I will personally share his certificate to that particular fellow. Don't worry. Okay. Then best
Thank
of
you
luck.
so
All
much.
the best to you. Okay. Then
Thank you so
bye.
much. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming and joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
See you
Bye.
soon.
Bye. See you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Now I request Mohit. Mohit, please unmute yourself and share your experiences of this project. Yes, Mohit.
Good evening to everyone.
Good evening.
Today is the last session of our telecollaboration. First of all, I would like to Vaswani Madam because she gave me an opportunity for the international meeting.
Sir?
3 achievements are there. My first achievement is I have never thought that I will represent my school for the international level.
স্যার আমি তো কি করে করব আমিও কি করে
And
করব
my
আপনার
second
ল্যাপটপে
and my second achievement is that I have improved my communication
করে
skills.
স্যার
And my third achievement is I learned to represent myself in such a big platform.
আর স্যার আমার
I also learned that the international I also learned that I have learned the nature and behavior of Bangladeshi people. They are very friendly in nature. I also learned the festival and cultures of Bangladeshi people. And I also learned the animals and food of our neighborhood country, that is Bangladesh. For attending all the session of this international meeting is not easy because there is a electrician problem and there is a network issue. So that why. But overall, I enjoyed all the session. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mohit. Now I request Divya Nagdev. Divya, can you listen us? Divya?
Ma'am, I told my topic.
Okay, I just forget. Okay. Divya, Nayan and all of you have said. Yes, Nazmul sir, now I think we should listen your students' feedback.
Now I request to Arun Roy, please describe your experience from this telecollaboration.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, Shovan and Honor.
Thank you. Thanks, ma'am. We get many new knowledge for the project. It is a very good experience for me. I know about many unknown knowledge about India and Bangladesh. I know about different culture, religion, country. I know about our educational system. Mainly, we get many new friends for this project. And for this project, I introduce myself between us. And it is a very sad news. It is the last session for us. Thank you.
Thank you. Lastly, I want to request Shushma, please describe your experience from this international telecollaboration. Please unmute yourself.
Hello to everyone again. At first, I want to say that I am very glad to join this meeting. And in this meeting, I learned many things like India's geographical thing and educational process, or many festivals, religions, etc. And then I want to say something that to learn communicative English, one should learn listening, speaking, writing, and reading. I have knowledge in listening, writing, and reading, but I am so scared in speaking. So after this session, I am so glad that I won't this scared. So I am very glad to join this meeting, and I get some travel like natural calamities like rain. And for this rain, I could not join in a session, and then internet connection or network problem, etc. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Sushmoy.
Thank you, ma'am. This is
Yeah.
our students' experience, and my experience also told you before. So really, it is a very good experience for me, and also a great opportunity to describe our culture, our food, our geographical status, and also our teaching techniques, and also learn from India's techniques, students, and know about your students' characteristics and your school teachers' techniques, and also learn from uh, about your management system of your school. So it is very good opportunity for me, and thanks to my Allah, we should respect to him, and all of our country and your country is people now in pandemic situation. So inshallah we should recover very soon, and I think our students should avoid some internet games regularly, read and write those and solve their problem. And of course, my students should, you and our countries should always contact with the teachers and their respected parents. What I say, what they said. So it's for you and your students. And really, I'm also very sorry for that that I feel very sick today, and because I was so busy in the morning to noon for this region, I couldn't properly my experience and share with you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. I had already shared everything with our dignitaries. And just I want to say thanks to you, Nazmul sir, for cooperating with me and working with me collaboratively since last 20 days. And I hope that we will be continue in this bond of good relationship. We will continue with the internets and WhatsApp and our students also, and we will get more opportunities of these types. This is I'm thinking this is really from last 2-3 days I wanted to finish this as soon as possible, but now when the time is come, I'm really feeling very sad because we will not get such types of meetings again and some topics to speak. But I would really try to be with touch with you and your students. And I was really happy to know about your country's culture and sustainable goals. And I just don't want to say goodbye, but at the end, I want to listen Shravan, as I told him that I would like to listen him, as I come to know by his friend that he is also a very good singer. So Shravan, before going, will you sing a song for me and my students?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. Please
Just a minute.
continue because time is going to be over.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Yeah.
Before Shoban song, I have a request to you that I don't clear understand about what to do. what to do next our students by your link that given by Jogesh sir.
Sir, I will continue having a chat for registration and form filling. So I will explain you everything, or I will call you.
Okay.
Okay. I will understand totally, because I am also unable to understand clearly. I will see the link, check the registration link and what is happened. First, I will try and then I will tell you what to do and everything
It will
procedure. Okay. Yeah.
it will for me and also our students.
Yes, yes, yes. I will send you the registration link, and that link you have to fill. After that, there will be student links and project ID will be given by this Yogesh sir, and you have to give that project ID link to your student. They will see there are 3 feedbacks forms over there, and they have to fill by themselves. After that, I think there will be collections types of procedure, and they will send the certificate in, I think, in Google Drive. I will let you clear afterwards. Let me check first, then I'll tell you, and or I will call you, and we will be in touch. Don't worry.
Of course, of course. Okay, Shravan.
So Shravan, yeah.
Can I start?
Yes, yes. We are
I'm
very
singing
eager
a
to
song
listen
of
you.
Kazi Nazrul Islam.
Okay. Good.
ঘুমিয়ে গেছে শ্রান্ত হয়ে আমার গানের বুলবুলি করুণ চোখে চেয়ে আছে সাঝের ঝরা ফুলগুলি আমার গানের বুলবুলি ঘুমিয়ে গেছে শ্রান্ত হয়ে আমার গানের বুলবুলি ফুল ফুটিয়ে ভোরবেলাতে গান গে নীরব হলো কোন নিষাদের পান খেয়ে বনের কোলে বিলাপ করে সন্ধ্যারানী চুল খুলি আমার গানের বুলবুলি কাল হতে আর ফুটবে না হয় লতার বুকে মঞ্জরি উঠছে পাতায় কাহার করুণ নিশ্বাস মরমরি গানের পাখি গেছে উড়ে শূন্য নীল কণ্ঠে আমার নাই সে আগের কথার ভিড় আলে আর এই আলোতে আসবে না কেউ বুলবুলি আমার গানের বুলবুলি ঘুমিয়ে গেছে শ্রান্ত হয়ে আমার গানের বুলবুলি থ্যাঙ্কস ম্যাম
Thank you, Shravan. Thank you so much. It was really mesmerizing. Sir, I can see my management person is over here. So I request Gokul दादाजी, आप हमें सुन सकते हैं अभी? हमें आपकी आवाज आई? गोकुल दादाजी, आप सुन सकते हैं हमें?
हेलो
जी दादाजी।
हेलो
जी
आ
दादाजी।
रही है आवाज आपको?
हाँ, अभी आ रही है, आपकी आवाज आ रही है। आपको हमारी आ रही है ना?
हाँ अभी ठीक है।
जी जी दादाजी, हमारा इंटरनेशनल टेली कोलैबोरेशन चालू है, बस आखिरी के 5 मिनट बाकी हैं, और इसमें भारत और बांग्लादेश के बच्चे और टीचर्स ने पार्टिसिपेशन किया था। अपने देश की संस्कृति के बारे में आदान प्रदान हुआ था इंग्लिश में, और हमारे स्कूल के, आपको जानते हुए खुशी होगी कि 4 बच्चे हमारे साथ हैं, 10th के 2 और 9th के 2। तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि आप आशीर्वाद के रूप में 2 शब्द हमारे बीच कहें।
इसमें अभी हेलो
दादा जी।
Please tell me.
हाँ सुनाई दे रहा आपको?
Yeah.
जी हाँ, आपकी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है।
हाँ हाँ, इसमें बांग्लादेश के और अपने स्कूल के हैं।
जी जी।
हाँ, मैं सभी आपको सबको आशीर्वाद देता हूँ कि आप लगे रहो ऐसे कंपटीशन में और आगे बढ़ो। जैसे भी हो, देश के लिए, अपने लिए, जितना भी हो सके आप अपने लिए काम करो। मैं भगवान से ये प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आपको सभी सुविधाएं मिले जो आप चाहते हो। आप जो करना चाहो आपको मिले। ईश्वर आपकी इच्छाएं पूरी करे। धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद दादाजी। आपके ये 2 शब्द हमारे लिए अपार सागर का रूप है और हम सब आपकी मौजूदगी से बहुत ही खुश हुए। अभी हमारे बीच में नासिक के चीफ ऑफिसर भी थे, क्लास 1 ऑफिसर, जो इस प्रोजेक्ट को चला रहे हैं। उनकी भी एक सेकंड मीटिंग थी, इसलिए वो लेफ्ट हो चुके हैं। सभी लोग थे, सुदाम दास भटेजा जी भी थे, ज्ञानचंद दादाजी भी आए थे और ये हमारा आखिरी लास्ट सेशन था। लगभग लास्ट 20 डेज से ये चालू था। हमारे बच्चे और बांग्लादेश के बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेशन किया और आपस में कल्चरल एक्सचेंज किया। तो ये हमारे स्कूल के लिए स्वर्ण इतिहास की बात है कि पहली बार हमारे बच्चे इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पर आए हैं और अपना जो है वो हुनर पेश किया है उन्होंने। इसके लिए हम सभी इनके आभारी हैं। आपके भी आभारी हैं कि आप हमारे बीच आए और आशीर्वाद दिया।
ये सब आपके प्रयास का फल है।
जी जी, धन्यवाद दादाजी। Now Nazmul sir, I would like to end the session. So all of that I want to say, first of all, Shravan song, it was really appreciable. I could understand little that it was ghazals and it was a prayer, as you said to me. So thank you Shravan for your song, and thank you for the collaboration, having cooperated with us from so many days and having a cultural and SDGs exchange. We will continue this relation after this project also, and we will be in touch with all of you, all the Bangladesh students. Shravan, Shoshmay and Aruna, you were really rocking and your performance was really superb, bachon. So I thank you to you also, and I thanks to my students, Divya Nagdev, Nayan and Harshal and Mohit, for giving your best in this project to make our school work. Thank you so much, Nazmul sir, for being with me from so many days and having cooperation and good relationship in this platform. So thank you everyone. So I think we should say goodbye for this session, not for ever.
I want to
So
say something.
thank you so much. Yeah, sir, please.
Thank you, ma'am, and especially thanks to our students, especially your students, Nayan, Harshal, Mohit, and Dibba, and your daughter Muskan. And also thanks to our student Arunno, Shushmay, and Shobhan. They cooperate me very much, and really it's a very good experience and our knowledge system, I think. So if I get a opportunity to join with your aid country, and I will also then. And next, of course, you and me and all of you are also will be connected in WhatsApp and Facebook, and it's a very good relation. And most welcome to our country, you and your family, and also the students. Please, of course,
Thank you so much, sir.
after pandemic time,
After pandemic, yes.
you should come.
We will try, and
before I
let
say,
me tell you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, we are planning to come Bangladesh.
Oh, fine.
The teachers of Maharashtra are planning to come Bangladesh after pandemic. If we will get opportunities, then surely we will visit. And whenever you came to Calcutta, you are also welcome in our city, Bhusawal. Our school management will also welcome to you. And thank you so much. Sir, I want to just have a request to Gokul Kada Dadaji, because we have not taken his screenshot. His video was off. दादाजी आप सुन सकते हैं हमें?
हाँ